And you found the quick review for dividing integers. Don't forget, dividing and multiplying, the rules are the same. If the sign is the same, now the quotient will be positive. If the signs are the same, the quotient will be positive. Again, if you want an explanation, look at the full lesson on that and it'll explain. So negative divided by a negative is a positive. 12 divided by 6 is 2. It's that easy, right? Very, very easy. Very easy to do. Don't forget, in the same frame, if the signs are different, then the quotient will be negative. So negative divided by a positive is a negative. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. So we know our quotient is going to be negative, and 21 divided by 7 is 3, so we get a negative 3, right? In this next example, we've got a positive divided by a negative, so again we know the quotient is going to be negative, and 40 divided by 5 is 8, so negative 8. All right, nothing earth-shattering there, quite easy to do division. Hey, let me remind you of a couple special instances. Remember, 0 divided by anything is 0. How much of anything can you fit into 0? Nothing. Nothing. Right? Nothing. Now in the second example, whoops, let me get that off. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. So in the second example, remember, anything divided by 0, how much of nothing can you fit into anything? Well, the answer is infinity. Infinity. Division by 0 is infinity. Now, because you can't get back to multiplication, a lot of courses say it's undefined. All right, so that's fine if they want to say undefined, but anything divided by 0 is infinity. Just take a look at an infinite slope and you'll see that aspect. Okay, so what else? Hey, don't forget in fractions, when you're dividing fractions, you're supposed to invert the second one and multiply, right? So you're going to do the reciprocal of the second fraction for all the reasons I explained on the video in full detail. And remember, RBUM right here, reduce before you multiply. You say, why are you including this in a division of integers? Because look what happens now, right? For time's sake, I'm just going to put my multiplication there, put the 30 on top, put the 7 on the bottom, right? And that's what I have. And don't forget to RBUM, right? A 30 is a 6 times 5, and these 5s divide out. Because look, now I have a negative times a positive. That's a negative 18 divided by my denominator, and that's a 7, and I'm just going to leave that negative 18 sevenths. Okay? Dividing of integers. Same sign positive, different sign negatives. Hey, don't forget these. 0 divided by anything is 0, and anything divided by 0 is either undefined or infinity.